Hi, I'm Sean. I'm 27 years old and I live with type 1 diabetes. I use Fiasp for my mealtime insulin. It works fast. It enters the bloodstream in as little as 2.5 minutes. You ready to play some ping pong?
Well, I'm never ready for your serve.
Okay, here you go.
Keeping my sugars in range is a constant challenge with all the ups and downs. Correction doses can become overcorrections, which leaves me scrambling to try to find some carbs. As a result, this can make my blood sugar ping pong up and down. Because I can dose Fiasp at the first bite of my meal and I can see it in my CGM, I'm better at correction doses. Seeing my meal before dosing takes some of the guesswork out of determining the right dose of insulin to take.
You should play with your friends sometime. I think I was.
Keep an eye out for more videos along with my mom Gina, and we'll see you next time. Visit myfiasp.com for more information.